Okay, for this chapter scales, we're going to look at D major and B minor. I want to point out that these scales and keys relate to each other. They're going to share the same notes. So if I'm going to find my relative minor to my relative major key, all you have to do is just play a major scale and your sixth note will let you know that that's your relative minor. And if I'm coming from a minor perspective, my third note of the minor scale is the relative major. So in the key of D, it's a D, E, F, G, A, B, and B is my relative minor. If I'm counting up from a B minor, B, C sharp, D, that's my third note, that's my relative major. We're going to start off with 3 lead-up notes. We're going to be attacking our 4th position for this one. Now on your 6th string, we'll go 5 to 7, and we'll go to our 4th fret on the 5th string. It's going to take us to the 5th fret, which is our D, and from here we'll go 5 to 7. 4th string is a 4, 5, 7. 3rd string is a 4, 6, 7. 2nd string is a 5, 7, 8. 1st string will climb up 5, 7, 9, 10. And your 10th fret is your 2nd D octave right there. Coming back down, we'll go 9, 7, 5. 2nd string is an 8, 7, 5. 3rd string is a 7, 6, 4. 4th string is a 7, 5, 4. Now, if I want to go down to my D, I'll just go 7 to 5 on the 5th string. But if you want to take it all the way down, go to your 4th fret, and then your 7th and your 5th fret on the low string. Okay, now I recommend to play 4 basic rhythms: quarter notes, 8th note triplets, and 16th notes. I'm going to just do some quarter notes starting right on the note D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next rhythms with the metronome. For 8th notes, you could do 1 on each note or 2 on each note. I'm going to do 1 on each note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For 8th note triplets, you could do 3 on each note or 1 on each note. I'm going to do 3 on each note. 1, 2, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. For 16th notes, you could do 1 on each note or 4 on each note. I'm going to do 1 on each note. 1, 2, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Okay, we're going to apply our new rhythm for number 1B. We're going to be hitting the E and a of each beat. So it's going to be like this: a rest E and a, rest E and a, rest E and a, rest E and a. Okay, this will be D major scale 1 octave with our new rhythm. I'm going to play it with a metronome. 1, 2, rest E and a, rest E and a, rest, rest, rest. Okay, I'm going to take the same scale up 2 octaves. 1, 2, rest E and a, rest E and a, rest. Okay, so pretty advanced rhythmically there. We're not hitting with our click, we're hitting everything except for that click right there. Okay, for number 2, now let's look at the B minor scale in our 2nd position. Our notes are going to be the same notes as our D major scale. So starting on a B would be a B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A to B. I'm going to give 3 lead up notes. It's going to be 2, 3, 5 on your 6th string. You can now now once we get to our second fret on the fifth string, that's our note B. Now we'll go 2, 4, 5. Fourth string is a 2, 4, 5. Third string is a 2, 4. Second string is a 2, 3, 5. First string will climb up to a 2, 3, 5, 7. And your seventh fret is your second octave. Coming back down, we'll go 5, 3, 2. Second string is a 5, 3, 2. Third string is a 4, 2. Fourth string is a 5, 4, 2. Fifth string is a 5, 4, 2. And if we go all the way down, that'll be a 5, 3, 2 on the sixth string. Okay, I'm going to bypass the other rhythms, but definitely hit those two. I'm just going to do quarter notes for number 2A, one on each note, starting right on a B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to play our new rhythm for B minor. I'm going to play one octave with a metronome. 1, 2, resi and a resi and a resi. Okay, I'm going to take the same scale up 2 octaves. 1, 2, resi and a resi and a resi. Okay, for number 3 and 4, we're going to connect our positions on one string. For A, on our sixth string, we're going to go 2, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3. On our fifth string, we'll go 2, 4, 5, 7, 5, 4. For C, on the fourth string, we'll go 2, 4, 5, 7, 5, 4. For 4A, on the third string, we'll go 2, 4, 6, 7, 6, 4. For B, on the second string, we'll go 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 7, 5, 3. And then for C, on the first string, we'll go 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 9, 7, 5, 3. Okay, now for number 5 and 6, we're going to ascend in one position and descend in another position. And this concept is to start to blur these boundaries and these definitions of these positions, and then just get to know your neck and be fluid on one string and how to make these connections. Okay, now for number 5, I'm going to start off ascending in my fourth position. I'm going to take it up to the highest note on the first string and then descend it all the way down and then descend into second position. Okay, here's number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. For number 6, I'm going to ascend in my second position, take it up to the highest note on the first string, and then descend down in my fourth position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I always recommend jam on your chords and your scales. I'm going to play a D major 7 chord and then improvise in any of the positions that we just covered. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some chord. Some scale. Back to some chords. One more scale.